If you wanted to search by image on Google Pixel 9a, you can use Circle to Search feature. In order to activate Circle to Search, we can press and hold your finger on the navigation handle that we have at the bottom, or if you use buttons for navigation, then press and hold the home button for like a second or two. And now what you can do is you can simply tap on a photo that will be our reference, what we are looking for, or you can draw a circle around an object or a person. So let's say if I want to find out who that is, I can just tap on that person and then I should be able to find some information over here, some Google search results as you can see over here, or even I can look for visual matches, or I can go to about this image if I wanted to. Of course, we can also just draw the circle like I mentioned. So for example, maybe not even a circle, but in general a shape. So for example, I can draw something like this. There we go. And I can search like that as well. Of course, this is just Google News page, but for example, if you take a photo of something and you are wondering what that is, then you should be able to, for example, go to photos. For example, open the photo, and here you can also just use Circle to Search. We can use it anywhere on our phone. So for example, I can select this object that I have over here, this little car toy, and I can find out what that is. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.